Welcome back to another video. Today we will show you how to make potato tamales called paches. First, place potatoes into a large pot of boiling water. Salt the water to your liking. Easily peel away the skin of the potatoes. In a separate pot, add 5 pounds of plum tomatoes and simmer on medium-high. Salt to your liking. In the same pot, add 5 pounds of red bell peppers. Remember to remove the seeds. Now add 6 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. Now lower your heat and cook for 1 hour. After 1 hour, blend all the peppers and tomatoes together. We used an immersion blender, but feel free to use whatever you have on hand. For our next step, roll out a generous amount of aluminum foil and add a chopped plantain with the skin attached and a large peeled onion. Add them to your stovetop and grill them until charred. Toast 1 cup of sesame seeds on a hot pan. Make sure anything we toast doesn't burn, as it will result in a bitter taste. Remove the sesame seeds and add half a cup of pumpkin seeds. Next, add 2 crushed sticks of cinnamon. Six pasilla peppers. Five guajillo peppers. Now everything we have toasted will need to be blended together with some of the tomato sauce from earlier. It's okay to blend in batches. With some of the tomato residue, add 4 slices of toasted bread or any type of sweet bread you have on hand to your blender. Traditionally, a disc of Abuelita chocolate is added to the sauce, which is also referred to as recado, but you can use any semi-sweet chocolate you have on hand. Mix everything together one last time. Back to our potatoes. Add 4 sticks of room temperature butter. Add 6 ladles of recado to your potatoes. Mix everything well. At this point, taste your recado and potatoes for salt and adjust to your liking. For the meat, we used 4 pounds of cubed pork loin. Add the meat to your recado. To start assembling, cut aluminum foil squares about a foot each in length. Cut according to how many cubes of meat you have. To each foil sheet, add a sheet of banana leaf. Now scoop some potato and make a well in the middle for the meat. For added spice, add a chili pod or 2. Make sure to properly seal each end, tight and secure like shown. To a large pot, add aluminum foil to the bottom and place the tamales inside. Add a plastic bag on top. Add 5 cups of water to the pot and cook on medium-low for 2 hours. You may need to add more water within those 2 hours. Now you can make these all year round and enjoy them whenever you want. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.